Those compliments he gave me about great instructors. Like, yeah, please talk to me.
Ready?
Yeah.
So the first one, we're blocking the armpits, keeping our elbows in, so we'll keep swinging underneath, stepping up, making sure that the shoulders are below the hips, my knees are controlling her hips, so I can keep her nice and easy. I'm going to control the lapel, keeping my elbow glued to her hip right here, staying it nice and tight. My hand reaches in. I'm prying this leg in this direction and that leg in that direction to open up the guard this way. My knees still keep the hips up here. As my arm swims inside, my elbow comes inside with it. My knees are still keeping her hips up. I don't want her hips to go to the ground. Swing inside, the knee stays right over her face the whole time. Drop back. If she blocks my hip on that side, I'm just going to let her hips fall to the side. The second one, same scenario, we're blocking, controlling the arms as I step up. If I go to this position and she opens her guard and her hips fall to the ground and I lose that angle, I swim inside, and I trap right below the knee, pressure on the shoulder, locking tight, and then I want to stand up. Again, now I've brought her hip back over her shoulder, she stays tight, face swims to the front, switch the hand, keep the hips up, and again, instead of walking around, I'm bringing the hips to the side.
It's almost like Cliff Notes.
The third one is if I go to isolate that leg here, so she drops her hips down, I swim inside and she bites that heel down, so I can't get the knee, can't get this in front of my face. This hand now swims inside, and I go to the belt or the pants here, and then as I stack, I'm going to basically slide her up my legs, again bringing the hips over her shoulders. Control the lapel here, and then as I bring her to the side, I want to be able to put her where I want her. So if she tries to go to a turtle position here, I can sprawl back and I can hang on this armpit, try to go to your knees up to a turtle, and I can stop that, keep her in side control, finish down low. So that was the three body posture. Half guard. So we worked under the assumption that we had the underhook for both of these. For both of these, I want to get her flattened out as much as possible. If she's up on her side, she's too effective at creating space and managing my distance. So from here, I'm going to bring my knee that way. I can either just walk my knees to flatten her out, or step up, hold on tight, step up and then drop my knee. And that brings her, flattens her out on the ground. Once she's flattened out, now my pressure drives up, heavy, isolate her shoulders, keep her flat on the mat. Pressure goes heavy, my hips are not going that high enough to clear my foot. Foot goes into the inside, and then I'm going to elevate my hips to pry that open, slide my knee through. The second one is if they are on their side, I've got the sunjoke, should go on her side. I'm going to go to the belt back here, and I'm going to bring myself low so that my shoulder goes down into the floating ribs, down by the diaphragm down here, and then all of my pressure goes into that shoulder. I come off this leg here, and I keep that isolated, hand goes to the knee, I push the knee down, and as I push that knee down, as soon as my knee comes off the floor, all of my weight should go into her diaphragm. So I'm here. Right now she probably feels about 50% of my weight on my shoulder. As I come off my knee, now all my weight goes into that shoulder. I push this down, slide my knee through, slide it all the way through. We also talked about quarter guard. If we do get stuck in a position where they've got that quarter guard locked down on either side, again, if she's using her legs to isolate my foot, it's very easy for me to move her hips around one way or the other. So I'm going to control far side lapel, near side arm. Whichever foot I'm posted on, that's the shoulder I need to keep off the mat. So when I go knee on belly here, I want to keep this shoulder off the mat. That takes away her ability to shrimp out and get my knee to the floor. So if I'm here and I posture up there, now she tries to shrimp or move out, she can't go anywhere. Her only option is to open up the guard and let the pass happen. Keep that shoulder up off the floor here. And then last one. As I'm trying to catch the elbow, so that the elbow is down here, hands on the side, traps. See the elbows right by my chin. Lock that down, and immediately I want to shrimp my hips out. So I'm not doing this with my arms. I'm just keeping my arms here, and when I shrimp, my arms naturally rotate and put this shoulder to the ground. And that's my focus the whole time, is keeping that shoulder lower than her elbow. So if she starts to posture up, I just turn and create pressure. And then from here I can apply pressure like this and just finish like a E-break Kimura. But usually when you get here, if somebody's strong, they're gonna start to straighten their arm, which is fine. I end up on top of it and take the back from there.
Did a seminar here a while ago.